To remove search from home screen on POCO X8 Pro, first of all, there's few different searches that you can find on your home screen. And first thing is Google Feed. Right here, if you swipe to the left, it will show you it, and then usually you will find a search button next to it. If you want to remove it, I will show you later in the video on how to do that. Let's move to the next search thing that we can find here. There's a Google widget. To remove it, you just need to hold it and then click on the remove button. And lastly, there's this search button, and to remove it, you can also do it in settings. Now let me show you how to remove this option and this option. So go into the settings, scroll down and find the home screen. After entering it, first we can go for -1 screen and select turn off -1 screen. This should remove the Google Feed on the left, as you can see right now. And next thing here is the home screen search, and then you can turn it off. That way you'll get rid of that search on the here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.